You guys, it never fails. Something else crazy going on here. All the chickens are hanging out somewhere else. So Kathleen looks outside, looking for the chickens. No chickens anywhere. Look at this freaking thing. What is that, an owl? No, that's not no owl. You're right there, Bob. Woo! I don't even know what kind of bird that is. But he don't want to be in there. Bub. Bub, go. You gotta get out of there, Bub. Yeah, I don't want to get attacked by that thing. Look at the talons on that thing. They're like 3/4 of an inch long. Yeah, dude. Well, he got a chicken in there. And it looks like he got one of our little chicks. Freaking bird. Ugh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Man, sometimes this sucks. You know, we got some of our sucks. We got some of them over here. There's a lot of them over at the neighbor's house. Hopefully they didn't get more than one of the chicks, but we'll see later. Hopefully they come home tonight and we can count them, and hopefully that hawk, I think it's a hawk. Let me know in the comment section what kind of bird that was. It looks like a hawk to me. Or sorry, not a hawk, a falcon, maybe? I don't know. I'm not a bird person. But yeah, let us know down there what kind of bird you think that is. Hopefully they don't come back. If so, we'll see what we can do in the future, because we don't want to keep losing birds. We might have to keep them inside, you know, as much as it sucks. We can't just keep losing birds one after another to these predators. I know it's natural and it happens, but definitely sucks. And what, you can't just order new chicks and have them start laying right away. So you lose time and eggs and production, and we just don't want to wait for all that again. So we're gonna have to explore our options and see where we can go from here. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create new content every week, and we would enjoy it if you would join us on our journey.